Now, how to increase the milk supply? The first easiest way is to get the right professional help at the right time. So if you have a lactation consultant in your city, go ahead and visit them so that you can understand, is your milk supply really low? Why is it low and how to address that? The second evidence-based proven technique is skin to skin. So place the baby on the chest, on a bare chest. They should be just wearing a diaper and just keep them on the breast for 30 to 45 minutes spread during the day. You can do it even more, but 30 to 45 minutes is ideal. You can do tummy time, you can sing to them, you can put them on the breast while they are sleeping, but the idea is that you should not sleep and it should be supervised skin to skin time so that their chin does not fall off on the chest and they do not block their airway, right? The second is frequent effective milk removal from the breast. If there is a mother-baby separation or if the baby is still growing in the breast, we still need to send signals to the breast to produce milk every 2 to 3 hours, and that can be done via effective pumping. And I say effective pumping because pumping has its own ball game altogether, where you have to get the right pump, the right filling size and all of that, and do it every 2 to 3 hours. The third is Galax, and everybody jumps to Galax altogether कि हम क्या खाएं जिससे milk supply बढ़ जाए. Now understand, the best galactagogue in the world is your baby sucking on the breast, because breastfeeding is a hormonal reflex and there is nothing better that works beautifully for breastfeeding journeys as against a baby sucking on the breast. However, there are few substances that are known to augment your milk supply, and there are both herbal and medicines which can help you pump up your milk supply. You can refer to respective experts in those fields to get the right medication. Just understand that there are contraindications with existing health conditions and medicine. For example, the most common galactagogue that we come across is Shatavari, but it is contraindicated for patients who have asthma. Hang in there, mama. Get the right professional help because it is available. Happy breastfeeding.